Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 barely holds a charge, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to battery wear over time, which can result in diminished performance and a frustrating cleaning experience. If left unaddressed, it can lead to complete power failure, rendering your vacuum unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery for the Dyson V8, and a soft cloth to avoid scratches. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Stand the vacuum upright and locate the two screws on the back of the main body, which secure the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery away from the main body of the vacuum. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from its housing. As you do this, take care not to pull on any attached wires or components. Now, take your replacement battery and align it with the connectors in the vacuum. Firmly push the battery into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic housing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the battery, give the vacuum a quick inspection to ensure everything is properly aligned and there are no loose parts. Reattach any covers if you've removed them, and make sure all screws are accounted for. Once everything is back in place, plug your Dyson V8 in and allow it to charge fully before testing it out. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly cleaning your vacuum's filters and ensuring it is not exposed to extreme temperatures. Also, avoid letting the battery completely discharge on a regular basis, as this can contribute to a shorter lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.